Hello all, welcome to the video series on real analysis on Ganitha Sastram. In this series, we are going to learn a lot about concepts involved in real sequences, infinite series of real numbers, limit of a function, continuous functions, the derivative, mean value theorems, the concept of maxima and minima, indeterminate forms, the Riemann integration. The main prerequisites of this course are basic knowledge about sets, functions, and about the real number system. And I hope everyone has some basic knowledge like definitions, some statements, and some results from the above mentioned prerequisites. At first, we'll discuss about exactly what meant by real analysis. The title has two words. The first one is real, which refers to the real numbers, and the second one is analysis, which means studying about continuous changes and including the theories of integration, differentiation, measure, limits, analytic functions, and infinite series. By combining these two, we came to know about the real analysis is a branch of mathematical analysis that focuses on the analysis of real numbers and the properties of real valued functions. This course gives a theoretical foundation for the calculus which we learnt in our high school. This course is also called as infinitesimal calculus, which means seeing calculus at zoom in mode. Thank you.